Hello, everyone. Welcome to my broadcast. Today's our topic is the GateLive bonus task boom. And welcome here. Thank you for joining here. And how was the day today? You have to face it. Okay, let's get started. Our topic today is our topic is the boom launch pool. So now you have to see this. First of all, we have to start the introductions about the boom. The Boom is the pioneer AI-powered data incentive layer bridge off-chain activity and on-chain economies. And the Boom supports the gaming, social networks, real-world assets, and the capital market through the intelligent, decentralized infrastructures also. Now you have to see this. The total stacking rewards is 25,000 booms, and the participants are 11,216, and the token stack is boom is its price pool hourly cap is 3,255.2 boom, and the mining period is 8 days. Individual hourly reward cap is 358.07 boom, and its APR is 309.89%. Welcome the all guys. Thank you for joining here. So now we are going to explore the official website of the boom. So let's see what happens in here. Okay, so now you have to see the from off-chain to on-chain new paradigm launch gamer boom. So now you have to see the pioneer AI drive and data incentive layer for the real world. So it's empowering the gaming. And decentralized intelligence. Okay. Welcome to all great users. Thank you for joining here. So now you have to see this boom is a paradigm shifting the infrastructures that the bridge real world data and the blockchain economies through the AI driven incentive mechanisms. And the logos are here. So, as the pioneer AI powered data the incentive layers built for mass adoptions, we enable you to the gaming. And now you have to see this is the gameplay as the equity monetize as equity. So monetize in-game behavior by turning lot boxes and player activity into the AI validated on the chain assets and the social capital markets. So the quantified influence and the engagement across the social platforms, transforming them into the so programmable financial primitives. Next is the RWA rods. So AI verified that RWA layers of tokenized real world assets with AI audited the data and enabling the secure and the scalable real world liquidity. And next, welcome the Mohit users speakers. Thank you for joining me. And thank you for your lovely comments. And now here is the internet capital. So institutional grade data refineries aggregate the web scale the data to the create AI enforce fair and composable financial instruments. And next is the new paradigm. Okay. So now here is the informations about the boom. The pioneer AI-driven data incentive layers for the real world boom is the pioneer AI-powered data incentive layer designed to the bridge the gap between the off-chain activity and the on-chain economics and evolving from the gamer boom. The platforms now sports not just gaming but also the social networks, real-world assets (RWA) and the internet scale capital markets through the intelligent decentralized data infrastructure. Next is the core features. So Boom is the paradigm, the shifting infrastructures that the bridges real world data and the blockchain economies through AI driven incentive mechanisms as the first AI-powered data incentive layers built off the for the mass adoptions, we enable the gameplay as the equity players can leverage in-game actions by the converting the lot box and activities into the AI-validated blockchain-based assets. So this transforms gaming into a value-driven economy. So where skills and the time becomes tradable and the digital stacks. Next is the gameplay as equity. So the game players can leverage in-game actions by the converting lot boxes and the activities to the into the AI validated. And next is the social capital market. So you have to see the social capital market. They quantify the social influence across the platforms and turning sorry and into the programmable financial assets, AI-driven analytic tokenize likes, shares, and the contributions enable the creators and communities to monetize their impact in the DeFi ecosystem. Next is the AI verified real world asset layers. So the tokenized real world assets like the real estate or accommodates with AI audited data for the security and the transparency, and this enables the scalable liquidity, the functional, fractional ownerships, and the seamless integrations into the global DeFi market. And next is the institutional grade data refined ways that we aggregate web scale data to create AI infos and the transparent financial instruments. These composable assets meet the institutional standards while the empowering developers and the users to the innovate the in decentralized finance. Okay, next is the what is the game? Next is the what is the gamer boom? And the gamer boom is our first incentive layers and the data mining protocol that aims to democratize gaming data from the billions of the gamers by deep AI integrations. And historically game developers have leveraged players data without the limitations and or solution the harness and the blockchain technology to the secure gamers data ownerships and while the unlocking significant the harness blockchain technology to secure the gamers and data ownerships while the unlocking significant value through the tokenizations offering a transformative opportunity for both players and the investors. So gamer boom starts as an inclusive the platforms where the players developers and data enthusiasts can engage earn rewards and contribute to the thriving AI driven gaming ecosystems looking ahead. It will evolve into a shared open network that harness collective insights and innovations fueled by the commitment. Welcome the Gate users. Thank you for joining here and the crypto champion. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Here's how are you, Mr. Crypto Champion? And next, you have this gamer boom starts an inclusive platforms where the players, developers, and the data ethicists can engage, earn rewards, and contribute to the Thrive and AI-driven gaming ecosystems. Looking ahead, it will evolve into a shared open network that harness the collective insights and the innovation. Welcome the dinner chicken, Mimi, and happy triple eight. Thank you for joining here, everyone. So now you have to see the next is question. Next topic is background. The rapid advancement of the artificial intelligence has fueled the growth of the proprietary, the closed source systems, and dominating the game industry. I'm also good. Thank you for joining here, Mr. Crypto Champion. What's the exact time of your stream? You say it's 1:30. It's already having the cross 1:30. So next you have to see the companies like the Epic Games and the Tencent have the built powerful yet the insular the platforms offering the sophisticated the tools for the developers and the immersive experience for the players. And however these decentralized the ecosystems come with hidden drawbacks and that hinder the broader games community. And next is the centralization. So closed source gaming platforms concentrate the control in the hands of a few corporations, creating and isolating silos, and that limit the developers' freedom to propriety, the standards, and high the switching cost, lock creator and into the rigid frameworks. So next is the lack of the incentives. The current ecosystems relay the rewards participants and the beyond the basic revenue shares and the data contributors and the modders and the smaller developers often see the minimal returns for their efforts. And next is the value deprivation and the wealth data and insight generated within these platforms and largely retained by the corporate gains, leaving the individual players and the creators with the little to the show for their contribution. This imbalance restricts with their ability to the benefit from the or influence that ecosystems and contributions. This imbalance restricts their ability to the benefit from our influence. Next is excessive restriction. So, close the platforms impose the strict rules and such as the limited modding and the capabilities of control the monetizations and options that the priorities the corporate interest over users creativity. So these concentrate constraints and confine the convent innovations and within the narrow predefined boundaries. Next is the OR solution. So the gamer booms ecosystems resets on three key pillars to bring our vision to life. So first is the self-developed AI tools. Next is the open gaming incentive platforms, and last one is value the distribution network. So AI gamer boom, every player's actions, every developer's creation, and every data point matter. We invite you to join us in building a revolutionary gaming era defined by the openers and fairness and the shared success together. Let's redefine gaming as a space where everyone's potential is unleashed. Next is the vision behind the gamer boom. So the gamer boom was conceived as a response to these challenges, aiming to reshape aims to reshape the gaming and landscape into an open and equitable ecosystems where every participant can thrive. So our mission is to empower the gamers, developers, and data analysts by the leveraging the decentralized AI and the transparent ecosystems at the gamer booms. We champion. So now you have to see the at the gamers we champions. So first is the open source integration, next is the ecosystem incentive, and then value redistribution and freedom of choice. So ready to take your gaming to the next level. So join the fight and show the world what you have got. Next is the gamer boom in a nutshell. So now you have to see this. And now the future of the gaming. The soul, together we make what's next. So the soul of the gaming meets Web3, the gaming remains the gaming. So whether it's Web 2 or Web 3, the core essence of the gaming does not change. So the gamer boom's mission is to bring the gaming back to its roots and bridging the gap between the traditional gaming and the modern blockchain technology. Welcome the gate users, Savage and the crypto champion Mehdi Hassan. Thank you for joining here, everyone. So now you have to see this. I'm going to share the informations about the boom. So stay here and keep watching. Stay tuned and keep watching the informations. We innovative not to the divide in, but to unit the harmonize by the integrating Web3 incentives and layers the gamer boom in unit 3.2 billion gamers in a low barrier rewarding ecosystems. Thanks, Mr. Crypto Champion. And welcome, Hi Ambition. Thank you for joining here. So now you have to see the next is play to own. So our proof of experience is system transforms every jump, so strategy and triumph as into the blockchain's verified assets is powered by an AI data and tagging the system. It the game files engagement to stop the existing interfaces and the slashing entry barriers and the making rewards in initiatives. Welcome the Beat Billionaire Brothers. Thank you for joining here. So now you have to see this where AI precision it turns raw gameplay into the tradable value. So blending cutting edge tech with the gaming core. Next is the data as a gamer currency. So now you have to see this the for get web 2 data harvest and the gamers boom AI aggregates the gaming insights seamlessly, making players the beneficiaries and from most to preference, and data becomes a crypto backed asset, so secure and scalable across our open ecosystem, so compatible with the most mainstream games. This AI blockchain synergy, the fuels prediction, makes decentralized ads and arenas redefine data as a gamer stack in a thriving digital economy. Thanks, Mr. Crypto Champion, for your support and appreciation. Thanks a lot for joining here. And also high ambition, both of you. Thanks a lot. And next is the players as a sovereign stakeholders. So with gamer, boom, the time and the data are not free, but is they are the powers or gamified incentives layers driven by AI tagging. Welcome, Mr. Crypto Eye. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And how are you? Now you have to see this information I'm going to share about the poems. So stay here and keep watching. So players and creators like the tap into an open network, think AI agents, launchpads, and beyond where it contributes yield returns. This fusion of AI and Web3 hands this virginity back to the gaming community, amplifying their role in and the interoperable the future. And next is the AI and the gaming, the next horizon. So gamer boom is not just a platform; it's the vision of AI and the gaming boundless potential, so broad compatibility, the welcome experience, and while our ecosystems unlock the analytics and the creativity and the economic opportunity. So as the AI refines the real-time insights and the blockchains ensure the ownerships and gaming the evolves into the participatory and the powerhouse and an adaptive, the intelligent and the players own and together we are planning a Web3 frontier where every game shapes the future. Okay, thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion. I will definitely join your stream after my stream and okay. Thanks and welcome. Uh, Next is to explore the ecosystem. So now you have to see this. I okay. And thanks a lot for joining my stream, Mr. Crypto Champion. So now you have to see the explore the ecosystem in the gamer boom ecosystem. It's the players are not just the gaming. Okay, stay here. So they are fueling the data revolutions by sharing in the game states, social interactions, and spirits. And jumping into the competitive the tournaments, and they are power a unique form of data mining and our AI system stacks in the tagging this gameplay data with the precision and with while destroying the clear of the personal privacy after deep processing it morphs into a universal game data layer. So a gold mine ready to the supercharged AI training virtual companions and educational assistance and the predictions by markets and targeted ads and it's it's win-win. The players earn the rewards and the ecosystem thrive and on rich and on and now you have to see the gaming game fight gaming entry portal and then building data this AI agent launchpad and AI driven data tagging the system and the sustainable tokenomics and next is the portal of the data mining. So now you have to see the Counter Strike 2. The today's session total game points 65,000 and okay. And next is the entry portal for the data mining, the gaming portal gamer desktop. The app is the overlay app on the top of the mainstream games and is serving as a zero barriers gateway for the gamers within the ecosystem. So connecting Web 2 gamers to the Web 3 universe. Its objective is to smoothly the incorporate the Web3 incentives while the preserving an immersive the gaming experience of the Web2 games and with the, innovative the gamified design the gaming app and strives to enhance the players' engagement and encourage the active participation in the ecosystem's activities. And the core elements include the top Web 2 games integration. Next is the GameFi challenge and the events and data analytics and the leaderboard and the diverse incentives, referral networking, and these core elements work the synergistically to the create a dynamic and immersive ecosystems for the gaming community. Other features AI-driven analysis across the platforms compatibility and the security and the privacy and the educational resources. Next is the hub of the for the data aggregations. So here as you can see here, the mining dashboard. The mining dashboard is Gamer Boom's core hub and the design to core hub designed to the guide users seamlessly through to the multi-chain interaction, social mining and the gameplay mining and the competitive gaming contest, and it delivers a clear and the initiative, the data showcase and spotlighting the key metrics like earning leaderboards and levels and achievements, empowering the users with both engagement and insights. So next is the key features: BNB chain interaction, social mining, and the gameplay mining in competitive gaming contest, and the clear data showcase. So user empowerment. Next is the ecology for gaming data. So now you have to see this the ecology for the gaming data. So now you have to see the boom data ecosystems unveiled a player as the data miners. So the gamers drive the ecosystems by sharing in-game actions, social vibes, and tournament feeds. And think of it's as mining data while they having the fun and all rewarded in real time. So the privacy safe AI tagging. So our AI tags with this data with the surgical precision and never touching the personal details and refines it into a universal gaming data layers ready for big things. Next is the powers AI innovations and AI agents take center stage and tokenize the value. And that's the future AI agent as service and it as AI tech surge and the every virtual services so will the morph into AI agents. An AI agent as a service is the end game and the gamer booms got the player playbacks and the bonding curve system to the assist and the tokenize the agents and the spreading their economic juice and across the community. Next is the architecture and innovation. So in these sections, we delve into the core technological aspects of the gamer boom ecosystem. So highlighting our unique AI-driven gaming data protocols, the bonding curve-based curations, and network, and the decentralized gaming ecosystem. Next is the architecture overview. So now you have to see the architecture overview of the boom. So gamer boom is the dedicated to the building more than just a gaming platforms. We are building an open gaming ecosystems where the games are gamers on thriving, the innovative and the lead the charge into the new era of the gaming. Sorry, new era of digital gaming. So join us as we pay the way for a future where the gaming and the blockchain technology are the intertwined and creating a world where the every player is also an investor in their digital lives. So the architectures of the gamer boom is interactively designed, comprising the ancient layers. Next is the data mining layer. So this fundamental layer is an gamified incentive overlay and layer of for data mining that is built top web 2 games. Next is the gaming data layer. So in this year the proceed that are processed data shared by the game players is providing to turning nodes for AI agents training, and all AI agents automatically generated. Next is application layer. So next AI driving data. AI driven data layer. So introductions. First of all, here is the introductions of the AI driven data. In our technical solutions, we aim to leverage combinations of the lightweight local models and cloud-based GPT generative pre-trained transform and models facilitate the efficient and the accurate image recognition to tasks within the gaming environments. And next, you have to see the gamers' local AI models and the model aggregations, data storage, computing, and AI agents. Next is the local model architecture, hybrid model integrations, and the integration processing encompasses the following steps. First is the local model innovations. Next is the simple task resolutions. Next is the complex task identifications, AI processing, and last one is response integrations. Next is the benefits, consideration, and our hybrid technical solutions offer several benefits and the considerations. The next is the benefits, the speed and the efficiency, cost optimization, scalability, the accuracy and the flexibility, and the considerations are the resource management and latency, the optimization and privacy and security model and maintenance. Next is the AI agent as a service. AI agent as a service allows represents a paradigm shift in how artificial intelligence is utilized and leveraged across base or dominance and with the convergence and advanced data mining the technologies and the gaming data layers and an initial the agent offering. The platforms will be introduced to the accelerate the market adoptions of AI agents. Next is the agent creators. So agent creators use the present the gaming data to train AI agents for the different applications and process purposes rather than merely the trading and the monetizing game and the directly acting. Sorry. Next, the potential applications, personalized gaming experience and predictive analytics in games. So the virtual companies of the gamers and anti-cheat mechanisms. It's a content moderation and the safety. Next question is future development potential. So first is the cross industry integration. Next is the enhanced human machine collaboration. So the future development potential, the cross-industry integrations and enhance the human machines collaborations and ethical and the responsible AI and the continued innovations and AI authoritative algorithms. Next is the bonding curve 101, and the bonding is curve is a powerful mathematical concept that has gained the popularity in the world of decentralized finance, DeFi, and that blockchain-based network. The liquidity-driven curations mechanisms. Next is the bonding curve 101. So let RB the current and so the bonding curve 101. So let RB the current reserve of the parents and the currency. Say the bomb dollars. Let PB the price of the PVP tokens. PLP the token is the liquidity shares tokens of the bonding curves pool. Next is the open curation networks, the decentralized curation network, native creation market applications, Launchpad, and the governance model. A liquidity driven creation networks for each AI agent and a bonding curve based bonding pool will be created for the liquidity based creations and promotions. And next is the liquidity participants of the building pools, PLP, token holders, and the retail curations and the pro creators the building use the cases and the application based on AI agents and the gamer data. So next is the intangible assets. And next is the initial bonding curve. So as a BLP tokens, a shared token of the bonding pools, and then dynamic bonding curve is the mathematical form here. So the tokenomics. And here is the tokenomics. The Boom dollar token is the heartbeat of the Boom protocols envisioned as a dynamic utility token that seamlessly integrates the game's social capital, real-world assets, and the decentralized finance or VN is to empower a decentralized data-driven ecosystems where Boom dollar is a holder actively shape its future through the governance and next is the token allocations. The token ticker is Boom dollar and the token supply is 1 million. The token allocation starting. Token utilities. The Boom dollar token is the utility token of the Boom protocols and the cornerstones of the Boom data driven ecosystem and empowering a wide range of the functionalities that integrate the gaming social capital, real world asset, and the decentralized finance is its multi-phased role includes. So first is the governance functions, next is the payment medium and the reward mechanisms and cross-game visual versatility. Next is the roadmap. You have to see that we have crafted. We have to craft it and involving the public roadmap for the transparency, and it empowers the community with the informed decisions making, and while the keeping us innovative and supporting. Then now you have to say that we have crafted and involving the public roadmap for the transparency. It empowers the community with the informed decisions making while the keeping us innovative and surprising. And the roadmap is as follows. And the first is the Q4 2023 prototyping and the internal testing. Next is the Q1 2024, the Genesis testing. Next is the Q2 2024 is growth hacking, and Q3 2024 is base and the Solana integrations. Next is Binance MBB and BNB chain integration, and the Q1 2025 is AI tagging and agent building. Next is the Q2 2025 mainnet release and growth. Q3, Q4 2025 is open ecosystems and growth also. Next is the Vigor game rules. So now Vigor game rules is before you begin. Uh, get started. Please follow the steps. First is the pass of points are logged. Only the current session points can be used for the betting. Next is the ensure your account is logged in and has the sufficient GPT points. Next is confirm that your wallet supports BSC, the mainnet, and the enough BNB balance for transaction fees, and the confirm each bet or reward claim that requires manual signature and the confirmations to ensure the 100% verification tax is the basic rule. The paid burger rules is the ticker price, entry requirement, price pool, compos- compositions, and settlement times. Also, the daily time, ticker times, and the free burger rules is the ticket price pool composition, and the settlement times reward distribution. So price pool composition, settlement times, reward distribution. Next is you have to see the factions strategies. So the Shield clan and the Rocket clan is versus the Shield clan, Steadfast, Guardians, Vector strategy, and the settlement rules. Next is the Vector strategy and the settlement. So how to play. So first step is to purchase tickets. Select the ticket quantity, ensuring the sufficient GPT credits, and the pick a strategy Shield clan or Rocket clans confirmed via a ballot for the interactions and the signature verifications to the place the Vector. And next is the automatic settlements. The system will automatically settle climbable rewards for users daily at 12 UTC with Rocket Clan all tickets. And next, the step three is the manual claim. So the quick claims instantly claim rewards, and this directly from the main bigger screens, the historical claims and the secure confirmations also. Next is the canary. testing, guys. So here is a welcome to the Gamer Boom 2.0 close the beta, and thank you for joining us as one of the first tester for the Gamer Boom 2.0, and your feedback will shape the future of the platforms. First is the testing basics and the testing periods in May 22 to May 30, 2025. So, what to test? The download the Gamer Boom 2.0 client and uh, play latest one of the last these games. So League of the Legends and the Dota 2, the Marvel Rivals. And next the important note. So this is the data wipe test. All progress will be reset after test data ends and the getting started. First download, the install, and then supported OS is the Windows only, and the follow the installer promise to set up the clients and access the ballot login guides is the Google from the testing and the leaderboard testing also. Choose a game. So open the Gamer Boom client, select your game from the sidebar, and check the game specific instructions in the client. And next is the launch the game. So click the select game a directory bottom right corners and the if auto detections works and the bottom changes are to launch the game and GPT mining. So the click the start playing within the mining enable. So if auto detections fail, so click only activate the GPT mining and the stop gamer boom GPT mining and launch the game manually from your system and then it's track your gameplay. So stop gamer boom spt sorry gpt mining. Okay, so next is what to focus on. So testing event based on mining. So daily goal is the GPT point rewards and bug report rewards and extra packs and how rewards are sent, how to report bugs and what is include, where to submit need to help. Okay, is everything is mentioned. Welcome, the Mr. Kate. Thank you for joining us. And I don't know what are you saying. I don't know about the Chinese language. Please kindly drop your comments in the English language. I don't know how can I reply your comment. Just I say welcome here. Thank you for joining. And I really don't know what are you saying, Mr. Gate user. Please kindly drop your comments in the English language. I don't know how can I reply you. Speak Chinese. I don't know how can I speak the Chinese. I'm not Chinese. That's why. I don't speak the Chinese language. I just only speak the English language. What are you trying to say? You say in the comment section. I will try my best to give you the answer. Okay, Mr. Gate user, thank you for joining here. Once again, I'm sorry. What I'm trying to say, I don't definitely. How can I say in Chinese? I don't speak Chinese. Okay, once again, you have to say that I don't. How can I reply you? What are you trying to say? Okay. So next is the guide for the gamers. Step one is before you begin. The prior to the proceeding, the please confirm that your computer has the required gaming software installed and that you are acquainted with the gaming and the related procedures. So in the game, coming prescriptor in the seasons, if you are prescriptants, NFT holders, and there will be the additional bonus while the finishing gaming, game mining, or the social task also. The sport gamers, sported games in the League of the Legends and the World of the Warcraft and the Fortnite and the Epics and the CS2, Dota 2, the Marvel and the Rivals Valorant and the download and installation. First, make sure you have connected your wallet and completed the registration and then navigate to the menu bar on the left and scroll down to the download sections and to join the session as the game players you must download the red arrow desktops app and the only preceptor the NFT holders will get the additional bonus while the finishing game mining social task and then launch GamerBoom desktop app. So after successful installation, double click to the GamerBoom icon to open the GamerBoom desktop clients and then it's finished. Step 4 starting in the game. So the step 5 the game boom in game HUD. So HUD the in-game HUD consists of our scoring the sphere R1 and track your gameplay, the what to focus on, the test event based, the mining the players, League of the Legends Dota 8 to the daily goals to earn at least 1,000 GPT the points per day through the event based mining. So rewards are one GPT points rewards is here. So bug reports rewards and extra pay and the how rewards are sent. And next is how to report the bugs, what is the includes, and where submit need help. Okay, next is the guide for the gamers. So first of all, begin. I already told you. Okay. In step 4, starting the game, ensure the gamer boom client is consistently the active in the backgrounds and the facilitating seamlessly gaming experience while you effortlessly earn the GPT rewards. And next, step 5 is the game boom in game HUD. The in-game HUD consists of a scoring spheres R1 and the taskbar R2 both can be the adjusted for the convenience and the scoring spheres located on the lower right display real time and text bar and then engaging in the unique getting the challenges. Here's all official links you want to be join here. Next is the gate launch polls. What is the gate launch polls? First of all, I'm going to share. So now you have to see the Gate Launchpool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platforms where users can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and the new coins. And with low entry barriers and a high APR, it's the ultimate platforms are effortlessly the capturing market opportunities. Next is the how can I participate in the Gate Launchpool? So first log into your Gate account and then navigate to the Get Launch for page, then choose the project you want to participate in the stack your assets. Next is which coin can I stack in the Get Launch pool. So the token eligible for the participation will be announced on the mining page as mining page of the each project. Please visit of the cross pending page of the Gate Launch pool to the view more details. Next is how many tokens will be rewarded. So the hourly stacking reward is equal to the individual latest 1 hour while its stacking amounts multiplied by the total pool stacking amounts and multiplied by the all reward pools. And that's how are the rewards distributed. So the platforms will take the multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amounts hourly, and token rewards are distributed to the eligible users. Hourly earning reward will be distributed into the user's spot accounts. And next, when will the stack assets to be redeemed? So after the users redeem in advance or the stacking is completed. Okay. Next is can I redeem my stack assets at any time? So the platforms will take the multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amounts each hour and they calculate the balance stacking amounts. So next, can I add additional stack assets? So you can increase your stack assets at any time. So the more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining rewards. And next is can I participate in the multiple projects at the same time? When there are the multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, so you can stack in the different pools and to receive new tokens mining reward for the multiple projects. Next is what is the maximum mining rewards I can receive. So the hourly reward cap, hard cap per users of each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. Okay. Next is Bill stacking assets in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level. No, assets stack assets does not impact your VIP level. So what will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? So the in case of early ending, your stack principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. So next question is about annual percentage rates APRs when the reward point is a stack point. So the APR is equal to the total reward release in the R last R and the last R total stack is multiplied by the 365 24 and the multiplied by the 100%. And next is when the reward coin is not a stack coin. So its APR is equal to the total stack total reward released in the last hour versus the closing price of the reward coins of the last hour and the last hour total stack and the closing price of the stack coin of the last hour multiplied 365 24 and multiplied. And next is how to participate in the Gate Launch pool. How to participate in the Gate Launch pool. The Gate Launch pool is an innovative stacking and the airdrops and the platforms where users can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or another tokens to earn the early reward airdrops of the hot and the new coins with low entry barriers and the high APR. It's the ultimate platform for the effortlessly capturing market opportunities and how to join the Gate Launch pool and the stack to earn. So the log into your Gate accounts and then navigate to the launch pool. Then if you want to join from the app, then go on app and then go on a home page and then select the launch pool. So the web click. If you are from the web, then click on the web page and then select the earn and then launch pool. So choose the stacking pools you want to join. Click the stack and enter the stacking amounts. Click the confirm and complete the stacking. So view rewards in the reward history after the successful stacking. Okay, next is the hodler airdrop. So how to participate in the hodler airdrop as long as your GT holdings in the GT account is no less than one, you can participate and the receive airdrops without locking or stacking in GT. And next question is which accounts GT holdings will be included in the circulation. So total GT holdings in unified accounts, spot account, and isolated accounts, and copy trading accounts, sports account, financial account, and the payment accounts. However, GT in the crypto alone, GT2 are excluded. And next is how is your airdrop amounts calculated. So welcome the Dom Sunshine and the Thank you for joining here. So now you have to see that once you join the project, the system will track your GT holdings and the taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holdings. Your final reward is based on your average holdings during the entire project phase. And next is what is the per GT. So the per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by the participating in the Hodler airdrops project with 1 GT and the holdings it until the end of the project. Next is why are my holdings counted differently across the project? So is the system uses the random snapshots to calculate your average hourly holdings depending on when you join each project. The calculated average holdings may vary. And next is what is the individual participation gap. Different projects have the different individual participation limits. So you can check details page or in the event announcement for more detailed information. Okay. So next is can I participate in the multiple project at the same time? Yes, you can participate in the multiple project at the same time. And how will the airdrops work? Be distributed? The airdrops will be calculated and the distributed within the 1 hour after the project ends. And you can check it anytime in the launch poll, then hodler airdrop, then participation history. Okay, now I'm going to end the stream. Thank you for joining everyone and take care of yourselves. May God give you success in every field of your life. And goodbye. Good afternoon.